Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Gallery app. After that, tap on Continue and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple right away, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select all at the top. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, tap on them. To delete the rest, select this bin at the top right corner next to three dots and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!